special buzz on the opening day of any cup competition. First and only time when all teams, regardless of stature, history or reputation, start from the same position. Everyone can have the same hopes, everyone can have the same dreams. This could be our year, that is what they all say in unison. It's hardly a surprise then that everyone is raring to go. Just need to wait for the final formalities to be completed, and we are up and running. There's the whistle, and here we go. Done very well to intervene. He's picked him out. Get that clear. Alonso. And it's been taken straight back. Fernandez tries to dink it in. Oh, sweet feet. Turns and goes back. Can he score? Goal! Maka. Gets wrestled off the ball. Alonso plays it out to the wing. Played into space out wide. Now hits one! Sticks it away! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
It took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Berger. Fernandez. He's got options out wide. Going through. Has a swing at out wide to the right. Here it comes. He's left his man. Hits one. Time to deliver. Here comes another cross. He's gone for it. No mistake. And already they're looking to run away with it. He's made it three. Quite a day at the office for him.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. He just hasn't stopped working.
Aimed long and direct. Fernandez looks to dink one in. And he's all Tana! Maka. Aimed long and direct. And out to save Santero! impressive strike. The whistle goes for half-time. Well, that flew by. It was breathless stuff. It's been one-way traffic here after the first 45 minutes. A relentless barrage that looks set to continue. Here we go again then. Tries lifting it over. And he just whacks it away. Fires it in low. Can he finish? It's there! Well, they have a goal, but it is surely too much to hope for a comeback. Pascual. Now surely, he's had a go! In it goes! Turner. And the flag has stayed down. Hit long and direct. He's got away. Big chance! Oh, taken with style. And surely that settles it.
That's how you make an impact as a sub. You know, when most are tiring, you can impose a freshness and energy to best effect. What an introduction.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Love. Sisto. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Well, that's the way to launch the campaign. They can look ahead with confidence and comfort. Your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Listen, ideally, any new campaign needs a start that puts 3 points on the board, and it's mission accomplished. Nothing too fancy was required, just a good solid team display for me.
Accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Riviere. And he's away. Riviere! And he's there to make a great save. Going for goal! There it is! He was so alert to the possibilities there. Great stuff. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
York. Well, they could break here. John. He's away. Hits one. No mistake. Oh my goodness, that has ripped the rigging. Baba. David. So midway through the first half, and it is a tight old tie. Whistle's gone, that's foul. There could trouble here. So now the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Can he finish? Good stop, that wasn't easy. Going through. Oh, the ball's come loose. And he's there to hoof it away. Done very well to intervene. Chip through. He's got the ball. Shoots! Really well taken goal. And again they hit the front. Lafferty. Hoists it high. Away from immediate danger. Tried to play it through.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
He's got away. Up to meet it! Oh, just needed a better contact. That'll be the last act of the first half. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just one separating them. Here we go again. No changes at the interval from either side. Delhi. And the through ball is intercepted. And here's the chance to counter. Looking for space out wide. Room for a shot. He's left his man. Can he put it away? And oh, taken with style.
You know, we may be looking at another classic here. I'm not going to guess what's going to happen next, but that is great togetherness and resolve. Well, they're back on level terms, so the guessing game goes on. As to what will happen from here, I've no idea.
Going through. Tries to get it forward quickly. Well, it's normally around now that the managers think about making changes. Delhi! Oh, surely that deserved better. Gets wrestled off the ball. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. That's going to be a booking. York. Sunwell. He's played him through. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
And the finish! And the follow-up! And somehow he managed to miss it.
Well, maybe the tension around this game played a part in that, because he should have put them ahead then.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Goal at his mercy, and somehow he's missed it. Now a chance to break, going through. He's had a go!
That's excellent composure, because the keeper put as much pressure on as he could by not committing sooner.
Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. With a delicate ball. Deli. And that will be the final act. Well, that's the way to launch the campaign. They can look ahead with confidence and comfort. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Well, they've laid down a marker with such a good opening win, and they're saying to the rest of the group, we're intent on staying at the top.
There's the whistle, and here we go. Straight ball, he's gone for it! Goal! An extraordinary start! Breakthrough in next to no time! More than happy to take the muscular approach. Boo. Landry. It's come loose. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. Bain. Played out to the right. He's got away. Martial. Landry. To get it forward quickly. Francis. A real chance to break. Lobs it in gently. He's made certain that won't get through. He's left his man. This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. Chance to play it in. Boots it to safety. And it's been taken straight back. Good block, but at the expense of a corner. Up to meet it! It's in! They have done it! They have their equaliser! Germain. And here's the chance to counter. Oh, good interception. He's got through. He's had a go! Oh, great save, real class. He's looked long this time, and the counter is on. There's a pop! And he's there to make a great save. James. Landry. James. He's made sure that that won't get through. Bain. Well, they can break here. Sana. Out wide to the right. Right through the middle. Hits one! Danger averted for now. Landry. Over to the left. Going through. Can he score? And he gobbles up the chance. And again they hit the front. He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Augusta. And the first 45 minutes are up. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just 1 separating them. Here we go again then. So, 45 minutes to turn it round. Charles, dashing forward at pace. There really wasn't very much in that, not far away from being a telling final ball.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
He spotted the big chance! He has done it! The second half sparked straight into life. This is quite a battle.
Well, I think this is a case of anything you can do, we can do too. I mean, they're matching each other like for like here.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Just about up to the hour now. Well, it's normally around now that the managers... And the shot! They've done it! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
Well, I think there's a few trying to claim offside, but he looks to have been on. Yeah, he was on.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Remy, aimed long and direct. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. And he's shoots! And in it goes! They have come roaring back! And however many surrounded him, that is what he can do. Marcos.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And he is going into that little black book. Sana. Anton. Louise tries to stroke it through, and that's it. Not ideal, but not the worst start at all. It's an opening day draw. So Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
Yeah, I think all's well that ends well on this one. They push for more.
Up and running. Leandro Bacuna. Low. Young. Now a chance to break. Played out to the right. Swept in. Get that clear. Tries lifting it over. Neatly flicked on. Face to face with the keeper. Yanko! And that would have been some goal. Holla. It is deadlocked. Whittingham. Boyd. Hoists it high. Little chip. No, not quite. Leandro Bacuna. Plays it out to the wing. Here it comes. It's a brilliant interception. Clearance and very necessary. Looking for space out wide. He's got away. Crosses in a low one. Aimed long and direct. Lobs it in gently. Pinged one through here. Shoots! And he's done it! Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was very little doubt as to how this was going to end up.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
Yanko looks to dink one in. Going through. Oh, it's open. Yanko! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish is all wrong. Gardner. Going for goal! And he's whipped it in low. In once more. It's gone a long way up and away. Martina. Elton. With style, with half-time at hand, perfect timing. And the first half is done. Genuinely interesting game here, very, very watchable. 2 goals, 1 each. So once again, we're underway. Young. Gardner. He spotted the run and played him through. Well read, he sorted that out. Keeper goes long. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Looking to break out here. Tries lifting it over. Can he put it away? He scores! Into the lead once more. Martina tries to get it forward quickly. Done very well to intervene. Low. Forward it goes. Bacuna. He's got away. Oh, great defending. That needed doing. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim? Shapes the shoots. It's in. 2 up and threatening to pull clear.
That's always a great sight, you know, on a football pitch. Nimble-footed, show great balance and a really cool head to finish. And that kind of dribbling is really smart.
So the lead now is 2.
The crowd are calling for this to be put to bed. There's little sympathy about.
Oh, good interception. Well played, he saw that coming. Tries to get it forward quickly. He's through now, he's had a shot! It's in! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Lovely bit of skill. Goes for goal! It didn't come off, but an audacious effort.
Well, it was certainly an acrobatic effort. I mean, it was probably the best option for him, but they're never easy to pull off.
Boyd. Crosses it. Hits one! And that may well be that. That is that. Well, it's a pretty poor start, there's no disguising it. All they could do is to try to recover it from here on in. It's a tough test.